Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about countable versus uncountable nouns. Let's get started. Now remember that a noun is a word used to identify any class of people, places, or things, which are known as common nouns. Or a noun is a word used to name a particular one of these, and that is known as proper noun. Have a look at the example over here. You can buy coffee at Starbucks. The word coffee in the sentence is used to identify a particular thing, which is coffee. And the word Starbucks in the sentence is used to name a particular place. Now let's have a look at the difference between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Now, countable nouns are things that can be counted, even if the number might be extremely high. For example, all the people in the world. Other examples are apple, song, house, etc. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, are things that we cannot count with numbers. Note that they may be the name for abstract ideas or qualities, or for physical objects that are too small to count or shapeless. For example, liquids, gases, etc. Other examples of uncountable nouns are tea, money, love, etc. Note that countable nouns can be singular or plural, as in the example below. I have an apple, and you have 3 apples. However, uncountable nouns do not have plural forms, as in the example below. We're going to have rice for lunch. Note that rice is an uncountable noun, and so we cannot use a plural form. Also, with singular countable nouns, we can use a or an. Have a look at the example below. There is a girl outside. She is wearing a beautiful dress. However, we cannot use a or an with uncountable nouns. But you can often use the phrase a bag of, a cup of, etc. Have a look at the example below. There is a bowl of rice and a bottle of juice on the table. Now, if you want to ask about the quantity of a countable noun, you ask how many, combined with the plural countable noun. Have a look at the example below. How many dogs are there? There are 5 dogs. And if you want to ask about the quantity of an uncountable noun, you ask how much, combined with the uncountable noun. Have a look at the example below. How much coffee do we have left? We don't have much coffee left. Also, you can use many, a few, few with plural countable nouns, as in the examples below. Sorry, but I didn't take many pictures. I've got a few relatives living here. And with uncountable nouns, you can use much, a little, little, as in the examples below. We didn't do much shopping there. We have a little sugar left. Note that you can use some, any, a lot of, both with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Have a look at the examples below. We like singing some crazy songs at karaoke. buy any oranges? She showed a lot of signs of affection. And with uncountable nouns, we listen to some music there. I didn't buy any orange juice. There is a lot of love in the air.